Simply Silent LV100 range from Bel-Air is designed for those looking for a conventional 4-inch 100mm domestic extractor fan, designed specifically for safe installation directly in or over the splash area Zone 1. Simply Silent LV100 models are available with either a round or square interchangeable front cover finished in cool white. All LV100 fans have 2-speed options selectable at install and feature ghost air movement technology for near-silent running. Standard, timer, humidistat, pull cord and passive infrared motion detection operation options are available, as well as a combined humidistat, timer and pull cord operation model. So simple installation makes fitting quick and hassle-free, thanks to a range of clever features. The hook and clip fan cover means there's no screws. A level reference line and 3 adjustable radial screw fixing points ensure flexible and accurate fan alignment, and a larger cable access slot enables easy wiring. LV100 fans are supplied with a 12-volt SELV transformer, designed to be positioned out of reach of any person using the bath or shower fans, as well as a complete wall-fitting kit containing a 300mm length telescopic wall tube and external grille. To find out more about Bel-Air LV100 domestic extractor fans, please visit belair.co.uk now.